President, the Reverend Al Sharpton, has called on clergy, activists, students, and other concerned Americans to come together today in at least 100 cities across the nation and rally in front of U.S. federal courthouses or federal buildings. The recent acquittal of George Zimmerman in the shooting death of Trayvon Martin has once again placed Montgomery in the spotlight. You see, despite the fact that there are 99 other cities that have joined in this noteworthy event, leaders in all these other cities are looking at Montgomery because they see Montgomery blazing the path for them to follow for social justice and righteousness across this nation. Because this is the home of the civil rights movement.
The hope for this rally is to inspire support and love in communities across the United States. In Montgomery, Bethany Wales, WSFA 12 News.
And as you heard that speaker mention, the Reverend Al Sharpton is the founder of the National Action Network, an organization that he says works to promote a modern civil rights agenda. And people here in Montgomery weren't the only ones in Alabama to gather in honor of Trayvon Martin this week. In several towns holding rallies all across the state today, including one in Lochapoka.
It could have been a better situation, a better outcome. And just like now, I mean, we're here supporting just because we know that things weren't right. And so we're here now to hopefully make a change.
And other rallies held at other places around